Okay, crypto enthusiasts, Web3 maxis, online money hunters, I welcome you to this honorable channel once again. It's yet another crypto related content. Today we are diving into the world of Hamster Kombat, guys. I don't think you will be happy if you are denied the opportunity to claim your Hamster Kombat tokens at listing. Will you be happy? Let's say Hamster Kombat is listed on Binance OKX. It's swappable, people are cashing out day in and out, and you only logged into your dashboard to check your allocation, and all you found was you were not allowed to claim any token at all. Using past project parameters just like Pesoverse, you can see lots of people were mining it, but because people closed their eyes on certain salient points, they were denied. Especially people in level 1 to level 4 had no airdrop at all and were even regarded as commons. Just imagine what an insult, guys. I don't think you would like something like this to happen to you. Remember, to whom much is given, much is expected. We are all praying, mining, performing tasks, doing all sort of things required by Hamster Kombat project, all in the name of having something on the table at the end. In this particular video, I want us to critically examine some salient info, some updates regarding Hamster Kombat, how best to maximize your earnings on this profitable journey. Okay, so please, if today happens to be your first time coming across a content on my channel, do all to subscribe, like the video, and also drop a positive comment for us. Not only that, go into the description section of this very video. If you are not mining Hamster Kombat already, trust me, you are missing $1 billion opportunity, right? So make sure you check the description section. I'll leave a link there. Make sure you join. There are daily tasks like the daily combo, daily cipher, daily mini game, lots of them. I also share salient tips on how to maximize your earnings, not on only Hamster Kombat, but lots of game. You know, in this crypto space, in this crypto airdrop space, there are lots of opportunities to tap into. For you to get first-hand information like this, please join my channel. It's in the description section. Make sure you join. I drop updates back to back for you guys. All right guys, so at this point, let me ask you something. So what do you look out for when you wake up on daily basis and you open your Hamster Kombat accounts? People are actually mining this project blindly, for Christ's sake. See, some people are just piling up their tokens, okay, forgetting there are other important parameters we need to take good care of. Remember, if you take critical look at your Hamster Kombat interface, you should realize there are 2 new updates. One, we have the mini game. Not only that, we also have the skins here. But what people don't know is this mini game has been in existence since the start of Hamster Kombat. If you are a pioneer, remember when we started at this section where there's airdrop, there was mini game there. So they just removed it and they currently reintroduced it. So we will talk about it as we continue. First, let's talk about these skins. Let's talk about where it's saying buy skins. We also have this key here. That's if you are able to perform the task required in the mini game, you will get a key. Okay, that's on daily basis. So if you are able to do it each and every day, it means on every blessed day you are going to get 1 key. So if I should click on buy skins, what do you see here? I've already bought twice. I think I've bought 2 skins or so. Yeah, you can see this one is unlocked and it's the one I'm actually using now. I've also bought this guy. It's not compulsory though. Even after it was introduced, I don't think the team has made any announcement about it. But hey, let me tell you this. If you mined Notcoin, you clearly understand what I'm about to tell you guys. In Notcoin, there were skins, WCoin as well. Okay, so in Notcoin, I bought skin for I think 1 million or so. And when the coins were launched, trust me, I got 5 times 5 times token worth what I used to buy the skin. So though these guys have not done anything, have not done any announcement or said anything about buying the skins, but all I can tell you guys for now is that if you can afford it, if you have enough tokens on your dashboard, try to at least buy some of the skins. But remember, you can only buy based on your level. For instance, I'm currently at the grandmaster level, so if I should try to buy this Apollo skin, look at the feedback. You see, reach the Lord League to unlock the skin. I have to upgrade my level before I can do that. So that's it on the part of the skin. The team has not made any announcement, but trust me, in the future, the reward on this is really going to be handy, guys. So you have to weigh it, the ups and downs, and then you can ride along just as I'm saying, okay? Secondly, guys, let's talk about this mini game that just appeared in a couple of days. So this is how it goes. Okay, let me click on it and I'll show you something. I don't think this guy is going to load. You see, it's a puzzle. It's a game like a maze where you have to move some candles, some green and red candles, in order to hit the target, in order to be able to move the key, something like that. I'll actually drop a video on how it is done, and henceforth I'll also be dropping videos on daily basis on how to play this game, unlock the game. Actually, I failed. Today is my first attempt playing it and I failed. So after that, I sat down to learn it very well. After playing this game, trust me guys, when you are done, it doesn't give you any reward as per your token balance on your dashboard or anything, or as in your PPH. I'm talking about your profit per hour. But after you are able to successfully play this game, all you get is a key. All you get is a key at the top. If you are able to perform it each and every blessed day, you are being rewarded a key. So what is this key for? Is it going to be a criteria on which airdrops will be distributed? I can't best tell. Is it going to be used as parameters for future rewards? Remember, Hamster Kombat has made an announcement that the airdrops are really going to be in 2 sessions, okay? Thus, after we claim the one we are expecting now, in 2 years time, there's also going to be another airdrop. Maybe there's not going to be anything like mining, because I remember in one of their posts, they said after the token, the TGE, your profit per hour is going to serve as your hash rate. Just like Bitcoin miners have their hash rate, core miners have hash rate, profit per hour is going to serve as your hash rate for mining. So maybe the keys are also going to be let's make the best out of it, okay? Let's make the best out of it. I'll be happy, I'll be glad if all my subscribers, if all my community members start making good money. You see, that's all that I wish for you guys, okay? So for now that we don't know, trust me, we have to be performing the daily tasks, play the games, and be piling up the keys, okay? So we will be doing that, for Christ's sake. And one thing that baffles me about the skins, you see, imagine buying a skin for 10 million, right? Some as much as 50 million, using 50 millions of your tokens to buy something. If you were to use that in buying cards or anything of that sort, I think you will be getting proportional rewards as in your profit per hour. But here, these guys are telling us to buy skins very costly, very expensive, with no return, no immediate return. So what do? We'll be buying the skins for now, and then hope. All we'll do is to hope for the best, okay? So if you are not on this particular project, please, there's a link in the description section. Make sure you join, and when you go through the videos on the channel, there's also a step-by-step guide on how to start mining Hamster Kombat. You should also look for that, and it will guide you to also start. So that's it on the skins and also the mini game. Now let's move on to another important aspect of Hamster Kombat that lots of people are ignorant about this. They don't know, and they are doing it anyhow. And trust me guys, it's gonna affect you, it's gonna affect your earnings at the end. So make sure you don't skip any part of the video. In fact, I want to give you guys the best out of this. Okay guys, so if you should observe my screen now, you can clearly see that I've highlighted two sections on the game on my dashboard, and these are my tokens balance, my coins balance, and also my profit per hour. Trust me, lots of people are focusing on their token balance rather than their profit per hour. And trust me, on countless occasions, in enormous announcement by these guys, they've made it clear that profit per hour is more important than token balance. You see that? So this is how it goes. You trade your tokens for cards, which in return increases your profit per hour. And also, these same tokens are also considered the only tool in the game with which you can increase your level. So you see how the puzzle goes. So guys, at this point, letting you know this, you need to trade wisely. You always have to take calculated actions. If you only focus on accumulating more coins in order to upgrade your level, remember, you are going to lose profit per hour. And if you should only focus on profit per hour and ignore token balance, it means you are also going to be deprived the opportunity to increase your level. So how should we go about this? Now, the team making it clear at the onset of the game that you should upgrade your level and also increase your profit per hour. Meaning we have to be doing this simultaneously. You need to increase your profit per hour, and at the same time you need to upgrade your levels, and all depends on the tokens you are able to accumulate. Okay, so this is how it goes. There's a way for increasing your profits per hour, especially when it comes to buying the cars, and today we'll go there. I'm at grandmaster level and I need 1 billion tokens to be able to reach the next level, which seems very impossible because currently, when you should observe my dashboard, I only have 25 million. The profit per hour is 2.7 million. So it means every 3 hours I'll be getting, I think, around 8 million or so, or somewhere 7 to 8 million. You see this? So even if I should mine every 3 hours, if I should set an alarm for this, I don't know if it's going to be possible, knowing very well that Hamster Kombat is about to be launched. So at this point, I'll capitalize on the profit per hour. If I achieve that, then I'll channel the next energy to increasing my level. So if you have much PPH and your level is still low, let's say you are still at the beginner level, please do all to accumulate enough tokens in order to unlock different levels. I hope I've made myself clear. So when you wake up daily, guys, after opening your app, make sure you collect this. You go there, you also watch some YouTube videos. Do all to always perform your daily cipher, your daily combo, which gives you 5 million and then 1 million tokens respectively. Not only that, make sure you solve the mini game to also pile up the keys. If you still have some tokens, buy some of the skins and also increase your level. With all this being in good shape, guys, trust me, you are going to make something good if Hamster Kombat should list today. Now, last but not least, let's go to mine, and then we'll consider some cards here. Okay, there are some cards, people really buy cards blindly, and sometimes it's pain me. Okay, imagine you I'm at PRN team, for instance. If I should scroll down, look at something here. Look at something here, guys. Consider this card. I need 8 million to buy this card, and currently it's at 33k. Even if I should spend the 8.3, just consider this, it will only be giving me 3.87k profit per hour. Now if we should come here, if we should consider this card, right, currently at 2.18 million, and it's giving me the current profit per hour is around 8.17k. Have you now seen it? So if I should click on it, 2 million will be giving me 897 profit per hour. I don't like that, so I'll have to move on. Now let's consider leaderboards, okay, costing 6 million. Let's click on it and see something, and giving 1.93k, almost 2k. Okay, so this is really cool, but I'm still not buying that. Let's go to markets. There are some cards, guys. There are some cards. For instance, look at this trading bots, not even costing up to 100k. Okay, giving 410 profit per hour. You can see that. So at this point, I can choose to upgrade this card. DAO is also having 159k as its cost and giving 540k. I didn't even know it was part of today's daily combo. So if you should buy any card, guys, make sure the amount you are spending at least corresponds. The profit per hour you'll be getting for buying that card is considerable. Okay, let's go to legal. You see, there are some cars, there are some cars. This one costing 23 million and giving a whooping 130k. If I should click on it, you will see 23 million will be giving me 15k. Just imagine 15k. Okay, look at something here. Look at something, 7 million, and the current profit per hour is around 50k. This one 4 million and the profit per hour is around 46.5k. You remember the previous page, some were costing 8 million with profit per hour around 8k. So if I should click on license India, you see 7 million will be giving me 6.03k, meaning every 3 hours I'll be making good amount of hamster tokens. Let's go to web3. Look at something here. This guy Launchpad costing only 4 million but giving 47.35k. Can you imagine that? 6 million giving 24.17k at the moment. So let me buy vesting smart contract. All right, you see, the whole deal is increasing your profit per hour, and you have to do it in a smart way. Some cards, you see, this guy just 4 million and giving me 6.32k. just imagine that, guys. You see, this guy 5 million giving 18k, 11 million giving 60k. Let me click on it and see. You see, 11 million will give me 7k. So when buying any card, please consider the pph you'll be getting. Okay, consider the pph you'll be getting. And also, if you buy any card, look at something here, not even up to 30k, and it's around 20.13k. So if I should click on this guy, you see it will be giving me 4k with just 265,000. So after buying this, I will just be on standby. After 10 minutes, when the timer is down, I'll come back, buy it again. I'll make sure I pump this before the countdown timer elapses. Okay, this card was also another crazy one. In fact, the profit per hour is really crazy. Currently it's at 64k, right? If I should buy it at 64 million, I'll be getting 21.05k. Can you see that? You see that this costing 1 million and around so always make sure you consider these guys. Look at something here. This guy at level 2, 6.3 giving 10k. Okay, so guys, that is it for today. Please make sure you take good care of the new updates on Hamster Kombat. All right, we don't know if failure to perform any of them, because a task symbolizing a key, guys, should ring a bell, because without a key, how can you even enter a room, guys? So take very good care of whatever we've discussed in this particular video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also share. Until next time, be safe.